Governor of Manipur Ajay Kumar Bhalla today launched state-level tobacco-free youth campaign 3.0 at Raj Bhavan, Imphal. The campaign is organized by National Health Mission NHM Manipur in association with Directorate of Health Services under the National Tobacco Control Program NTCP. During the launch, the governor led the gathering in taking pledge to abstain from use of tobacco products. Commissioner of Health Suman Singh along with Directors of Family Welfare and Information and Public Relations attended the ceremony. Officers from various departments including Social Welfare, Information Technology, Home and Police were also present. The 6-day campaign focuses on 6 main objectives which comprised enhancing public awareness on harmful effects of tobacco, strengthening compliance of tobacco-free educational institutions, promoting tobacco-free villages, ensuring effective enforcement of COTP 8 2003 and PEC 8 2019, boosting social media engagement and building capacity for long-term impact. The initiative will also be replicated across all districts of the state. In his address, the governor urged officials to ensure that the campaign is implemented as a sustained and serious effort to eliminate tobacco use from society and protect the youth from its harmful effects. He also called upon all officers to contribute their best towards making the campaign effective and successful.